What do you think about Booter?
He's checking it out. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Gutenberg, Iowa. So funny how every little town now has a coffee shop.
Oh, that's something I didn't see on the 3rd Street. I didn't see the old coffee shop. Number 10. Does it go down as it goes down, or does it go up? I don't know. What was the last one? 9?
Yeah.
So it's going up as it goes down the river.
Oh, Booter, it's okay, buddy. You'll live. Booter, you're on my drink, dude. Silly kid. Moxie's mixed drinks.
What was the name of this town? McGregor?
No, this is Gutenberg, like the press.
It's got an old building for lock number 10.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here too. Where that was originally.
There's no stop sign here, but.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, we're not from here.
That's obvious. Somebody just couldn't wait. That's neat.
Yeah.
So, out of curiosity, what's the point of putting a picture of your building on your sign?
Okay, buddy.
Place to park.
Oh, yeah. They have actual bathrooms.
Yeah. Probably locked up for the winter, I would imagine. Way back there before I could read that, I thought it said murder. Okay. Wow, look at the old.
They've got prices to die for.
Look at the road here.
Yeah.
Prices to die for. It's like somebody seeing across a levee or something.
I know, buddy.
What about it, Booter? Log cabin kit. This is the first one that kind of detoured Old River Road down through the town. It's
Yeah.
the same road right now.
Well, as soon as I turn the camera on and you start losing it, you're perfect.
I'm trying to eat.
Yeah.